Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Onfido for insurance customer verification workflow step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Onfido account. Navigate to the dashboard to access your projects. Create a new project by clicking on the Create New Project button. Define your project's name to reflect its purpose for insurance customer verification. Select the verification types relevant to the insurance workflow, such as identity verification and document verification. Once your project is created, go to the Settings menu. Configure the document types you want to accept for verification, like passports, driver's licenses, or insurance cards. Set the required parameters for each document type, including document quality and data extraction. Next, move to the Workflow section. Choose the verification flow that best suits your insurance process. You can select from predefined workflows or create a custom one tailored to your needs. In the workflow settings, adjust the sequence of steps based on your verification criteria. Integrate Onfido's API with your insurance platform for seamless data exchange. Obtain your API key from the Onfido dashboard, found in the API settings. Implement the API key into your application's codebase to enable communication with Onfido. Test the integration by running a few verification scenarios. Monitor the results in the Onfido dashboard to ensure accuracy. If any issues arise, refer to Onfido's documentation for troubleshooting guidance. Once the setup is complete and tested, inform your team about the new workflow. Make sure they are trained on how to use the Onfido system effectively. Regularly review and adjust the configuration based on feedback and evolving requirements. Stay updated on any new features or enhancements released by Onfido. This will help you maintain an efficient customer verification process for your insurance business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.